Hello everyone, welcome back to CarCoutureTV. Today, we're diving into the remarkable features of the 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech, a vehicle that seamlessly blends nostalgic design with cutting-edge electric technology. The 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech pays homage to the classic Renault 4, a beloved icon from the 1960s. This modern iteration captures the essence of its predecessor with a boxy silhouette and distinctive front grille, evoking a sense of nostalgia while incorporating contemporary design elements. The compact dimensions make it perfect for urban environments, allowing for easy maneuverability and parking. Under the hood, the Renault 4 E-Tech offers two electric powertrain options. Base version, equipped with a 120 horsepower, 90 kilowatts electric motor paired with a 40 kilowatt-hours battery, providing an estimated range of 186 miles 300 kilometers on the WLTP cycle. This configuration is ideal for daily commuting and city driving. Enhanced version features a more potent 148 horsepower, 110 kilowatts electric motor coupled with a larger 52 kilowatt-hours battery pack, extending the range to approximately 250 miles 402 kilometers. This variant caters to those seeking longer journeys without frequent charging stops. Both versions support bidirectional charging, enabling the vehicle to serve as a power source for external devices, enhancing its practicality in various scenarios. Additionally, the larger battery is compatible with 100 kilowatts DC fast charging, allowing for quick replenishment of the battery, while the smaller unit supports 80 kilowatts DC charging. Inside, the Renault 4 E-Tech combines simplicity with modernity. The cabin offers a spacious and airy feel, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. High-quality materials and attention to detail create a comfortable environment for all occupants. The dashboard features a minimalist design with a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen infotainment system. This setup provides easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Connectivity options include Bluetooth, USB ports, and compatibility with smartphone integration platforms, ensuring occupants stay connected on the go. Safety is a paramount focus in the Renault 4 E-Tech, equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS). Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, adjusting speed automatically. Lane Keeping Assist helps prevent unintentional lane departures by providing corrective steering inputs. Automatic Emergency Braking detects potential collisions and applies brakes if necessary to mitigate or avoid impact. Blind Spot Monitoring alerts the driver to vehicles in adjacent lanes that may not be visible. These features work harmoniously to enhance driver confidence and passenger safety, making every journey secure and enjoyable. Embracing sustainability, the Renault 4 E-Tech utilizes eco-friendly materials throughout the interior, aligning with the growing emphasis on environmental responsibility. The vehicle's compact size and efficient electric powertrain contribute to reduced carbon emissions, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious consumers. The rear cargo area offers sufficient space for daily errands, and the rear seats can be folded down to accommodate larger items, enhancing the vehicle's practicality for various lifestyle needs. The 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech successfully marries retro-inspired design with modern electric mobility. Its blend of classic aesthetics, efficient performance, advanced technology, and commitment to sustainability positions it as a compelling option in the evolving landscape of electric vehicles. Whether you're a nostalgic enthusiast or a forward-thinking driver, the Renault 4 E-Tech offers a unique and rewarding driving experience. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech. Stay tuned to CarCoutureTV for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights.